Hi everyone, it's Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and today I'm going to answer one of the most common questions I see as a travel agent. Do I need magic bands for Disney World? So stick around to find out. If you're not familiar with magic bands are wristbands which are linked to a guest's My Disney Experience account. They have a lot of different uses, but the specifics of what they're used for depends on whether you're staying at a Disney-owned resort hotel or a hotel that's not owned by Disney. For guests staying at a Disney-owned resort hotel, magic bands serve as your room key as well as your park tickets. As long as everything is linked correctly in your My Disney Experience account, there's no need to bring anything but your magic band with you into the parks each day. This is especially true if you take advantage of the charging privileges that come with your hotel stay. Disney hotel guests can pay with their magic bands in the parks, Disney Springs, and at the resorts, and the charges will be applied to their room account. You can also use your magic bands to link photos taken of you to your My Disney Experience account. When FastPasses are offered, you can use your magic bands to scan in for your FastPasses, and when dining plans are available, you can use magic bands to redeem your dining credits. Disney hotel guests used to receive complimentary magic bands with their hotel stay, but this changed in January of 2021. However, Disney hotel guests can still purchase magic bands at a discount through their My Disney Experience account. Guests not staying in a Disney-owned resort hotel can purchase magic bands at the standard rate from shopdisney.com or on Disney property and link them to their My Disney Experience account. Once they're linked, they can be used to enter the parks, scan in for FastPasses when available, and also link photos taken of you to your My Disney Experience account. Guests who are not staying at a Disney-owned hotel won't have the option to pay with their magic bands because magic bands are not linked to a credit card. They're linked to a guest hotel portfolio. So the big question, do you need a magic band for Disney World? Technically speaking, no, you don't need a magic band. If you opt not to purchase a magic band, Disney will still provide you with a means to enter the park, scan in for FastPasses when available, and link photos to your account. However, just because you don't technically need a magic band doesn't mean that you might not want one. Magic bands are incredibly convenient. Speaking as a busy mom of two, I much prefer being able to securely fasten a wristband on my children's wrist to having to keep up with their park tickets all day. I also love the convenience of being able to pay with my magic band versus having to dig out my purse every time I want to make a purchase. And if you're worried about security paying with your magic band, don't be. No one can make a purchase with your magic band unless they have your custom 4-digit PIN code. I also love having pictures taken of my family by Disney PhotoPass photographers, and letting them scan my magic band to link those to my account is so much more convenient than having to keep up with photo cards. Magic bands are practical, convenient, and their own kind of stylish. You can find a magic band with your favorite character, one to honor your favorite resort, or even a band in your favorite color. So should you pay a little bit extra to get a magic band? Ultimately, the choice is up to you. But speaking for myself, I always think that magic bands are worth the investment. If you got value out of this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. And remember, if you'd like personalized planning assistance for your next vacation, my planning services are completely free when you book your vacation through me at the same price as booking it yourself on Disney's website. Again, I'm Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels. Thank you for watching.